Some people think massage is only for rich people, like candles, ocean sounds, unicorn tears. Nah, this is body maintenance, baby. LifeWorks Agency, we fix humans.
It's not a spa day, it's a repair shop. Neck too tight, we unlock, we clear block. Cortisol high, we bring it down, drop. Move like a robot, we turn you to TikTok. LifeWorks, call it pain cops. LifeWorks, call it pain cops. They think massage is luxury, like oh la la. Like you gotta be a prince to touch a spa. Nah bro, I'm just trying to tie my shoe without my lower back screaming, who are you? I'm not fancy, I'm not VIP, I just want my shoulder to stop bullying me. My neck like Wi-Fi, always losing connection. Turn my head and I hear terms and conditions. It's not a spa day, it's a repair shop. Cortisol high, we bring it down, drop. Posture crooked, we straighten that plot. Level 2, LifeWorks, call a pain cops. You wanna move, you wanna bend, you wanna squat without your knees sounding like a microwave pop. Stress in your chest, shoulders up to your ears. Face says I'm fine, but your trap say tears. Massage is not dessert, it's like brushing your teeth. Skip it too long and your body brings beef. Cortisol running marathons in your blood. We slow it down like easy, big fella love. Breathe in, breathe out, let that stress leave your zip code. Posture tall, mood up and down. Now you walk in the room like you own the town. If pain's a villain, we the secret agents. We investigate tension, find the chain of events. Neck, back, hips, we connect the dots. Your body been yelling, we translate the thoughts. Not just rub, now we do it with reason. Mobility up anytime, any season. LifeWorks Agency, pull up like what's the case, agent? We got a tight glued at 3 o'clock. It's not a spa day, it's a repair shop. Cortisol down, let your nervous system stop. Posture corrected, now your body on top. LifeWorks, yeah, we don't play. We make humans move better every day.
Massage ain't luxury, it's survival with jokes. LifeWorks. LifeWorks.